We just got this tag team crimp error. I didn't have my video recording, so I gotta do it again. So a really fun shop, great cards, good prices. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
I don't know.
Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball. Pokemon. It's Dragon Ball. Dad. Thanks. Dad.
Yeah, it's cute Pikachu. It's an older one. Hey, Judith, you're pushing on the thing. Stop leaning. Ooh, I like that restroom.
I like that Luna.
Ooh, that Aerodactyl Alt-Art is nice.
It's 5 o'clock, 5:08, so it's still daylight outside. But
Is it shutting down at 5? Is that, yeah.
Because I'm not
Somewhere, online it said 6, but then I saw somewhere else it said 5. So
yesterday was 6.
dang. That might have been what it was meaning.
Those are pretty cool.
Eevee H. Eevee comes out.
I like it.
We go forward.
Oh, the giant Snorlax. Ellie, there's more cards over here. There's some pretty cool ones. Like that Vaporeon, Jolteon, that Charizard Mewtwo fight.
Guy over there. He likes Gyarados and Gengar.
These are all Yu-Gi-Ohs.
Gyarados is right. Pikachu.
Yeah, they're cute. I don't know if they're my favorite, but
I like this one. What about this? Minotaur?
yeah,
I like
it's
this
$150 one. Yeah, okay, get your hand out of there. Yeah, I think we have that Mew. I really like that Mew V back there, though. That's cool. I don't know what that's from.
Pokemon Go.
No, the one that's got all the hands and everything. I don't know. No, this one.
Sorry.
No, the one right behind it. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one's cool. You even what set's that from?
Pokemon Go.
Oh, Fusion. I bet it's Fusion Strike. I guess I'm not good with knowing all the sets.
Dada.
That's cool. What? They have the Mewtwo that we're still wanting to pull. No, the one right behind it. That one from the crown.
Daddy, can I get one of these magics?
Yeah, the new.
Dad, can I get one of these magics?
Yeah.
Dad, can I get one of these magics? These magics.
Okay, hey, go put them back. No, go put them back. Sorry. You don't pick them up, okay?
Can we open up one? Can we get one?
No, you don't even know what Magic the Gathering is.
I already have a card of it.
Cool.
Oh,
That's a
can
cool
we open
pack.
up this pack?
Detective Pikachu? No.
Daddy, I'm looking at the
Okay, let's keep walking.
magic before.
Everything is 90% off. We just marked everything up 200%. Nope. Niente. Okay, so
Those are cool looking.
total Colossus.
Okay, let's. Really cool.
Daddy, that one.
Yeah, that is cool.
So you don't care daily, whatever, like no big deal.
Look at that one.
You can ask them, but I don't know if they will.
Are these? I'm gonna go ask them.
You ask them.
No.
If you're gonna do the trade, you gotta ask. That Rotom V is really cool.
Sir.
Complete base set. Is that Goldenrod City? Yeah, Goldenrod City Collectibles. Dude, stop.
No trades right now.
Okay.
This last 10 minutes. Everybody's all cleaning up cash.
Okay.
You got 35 cash. I'll sell you one.
We close at 5 today.
Oh. Let's go see if you can find something. Thank you. Let's see over here. They're making something. Maybe got stuff over here. You can ask him if he'd be willing to.
Dad, can I get this card?
No, not right now.
Daddy. Yes.
Yeah.
Coffee. She coffee.
I mean, that's really cool.
Oh yeah. Can I try that one?
You could ask him.
Oh, you guys want to just look at it? I can just knock it out here for you. You want to just look at it? This is the Japanese one, just
Yeah.
so you guys know. Here you go. You want to just look at them? Take them out. You want to just look at them?
Oh wow, it's a lot.
Oh yeah, just a bunch of them.
Daddy, look.
Yes. Stop. You could ask them if they'd do a trade with you. Would you do a trade?
Trade until, unfortunately, we're all closed, so the two guys on the
Okay.
We're wrapping up, man.
Well, do you want that one?
What?
Do you want to buy it and since you can't trade? Well, we could buy this one.
Alright.
Okay, you want to buy it? Okay.
Look at this one. Can I buy one?
Yeah, let's buy this one. This one's cool because it's Japanese. No, you've already got yours. Okay, so you want one of those?
Yeah.
Okay, you can just give it to me. I'll put it in the new sleeve for you. Just choose which one you like.
Are they different?
Well, they're all the same.
They're all the same, but some people like to choose.
Yeah, because they could have a scratch on them or be off-centered or something.
Yeah, like this one. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the sleeve for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And here you go.
Hold on to it. Yes.
Thank you, everybody. Again, collecting on is now closed. Please make your way to the exit. Again,
That's a really cool card that we don't have. So.
You can throw some offers in if you want. Cards go.
She was just trying to see if anybody would be willing to trade some of her cards for something, or even a couple things. For something.
Which was the Suicune?
She was saying the Suicune, the Gyarados, or the.
And that one.
Well, he's not going to trade that one.
Yeah.
Or this.
Glacier.
Yeah, the Alolan Glaceon. If you're willing to.
I don't think there's any cards in here that I really would like right now.
Okay.
So thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for asking.
You're welcome.
Hey, Daddy, there's another tag team.
Yeah, I love the tag teams.